So the new skill we learned today was doubles plus 1. So quick review, doubles are usually pretty easy. For some reason, people just remember them a little easier. So 3 plus 3, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. 4 plus 4, 8. All right, so we won't go through all these doubles. I'm going to assume they're all set. You were doing really good with them today. So doubles plus 1. This is the new one we did today. So doubles are easy. When we have two numbers that are right next to each other, like 6 and 7. 6 plus 7. When you're on the number line or you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6 and 7 are right next to each other. 7 is one more than 6. So if you have a number that is one more than the other, then you can think of it as a doubles plus 1. So this would be the same as 6 plus, and then instead of 7, we could think of that as 6 plus 6, and then one more. So 6 plus 7, we can think of that as the same as 6 and 6, and then one more. So 6 and 6 is 12, and one more is 13. For this one, 3 plus 4, 3 and 4, when we're counting on the number line, are right next to each other. So we can think of this as the doubles of 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, and one more is 7. So 3 plus 3 plus 1 is the same as 3 plus 4. This one's super easy. You can just look at it and know it. 2 plus 1 is 3. All right, so for this one, we have 3 plus 4. So 3 and 4 are right next to each other when we're counting. 4 is 1 bigger than 3. So we can think of it as 3 and 3 and 1. 3 and 3 is 6, and one more is 7. For this one, 2 and 3. All right, so when we're doing these, we want to look at the smaller one. We want to double the smaller one. So 2 and 3, 2 is the smaller one, so we're going to double that. 2 and 2 is 4, plus one more is 5. Here we have 5 plus 6. Which one's the smaller one? 5. So we'll double the 5, that's 10, and one more is 11. 7 plus 8. So the smaller one is 7. We'll double the 7. That's 14, and one more is 15. 7 plus 6. Again, because when we're counting, these are right next to each other. That's the same for all of these ones that we're going over. 7 plus 6. 6 is smaller. So we'll do 6 plus 6 is 12, and then one more is 13. 8 plus 9. Right next to each other when we're counting. We can think of the 9 as an 8 and a 1. 8 and 8 is 16, and one more is 17. 4 plus 5. All right. Double the 4, that's 8, and one more is 9. All right, so without the blocks now, right next to each other, double the 2, that's 4, and one more is 5. 6 and 7 right next to each other, double the 6, that's 12, and one more is 13. 10 and 9, double the 9, that's 18, and one more is 19. Double the 7, that's 14, and one more is 15. Double the 5, that's 10, and one more is 11. 3 plus 4, we're going to double the 3, that's 6, and one more is 7. Double the 8, and one more is 17. Double the 9, and one more is 19, or just 9 plus 10 is 19, that's easy. And double the 4, that's 8, and one more is 9. All right, so let's take a peek here. So we have gone over the plus 2s. So those are all the reds, the plus 2s, and you're doing really good with those. You're done the plus 9s, and those are all the yellow ones. So you're doing really great with those. And we've learned tricks for these, and you're doing great with them. And then the 8s, you're doing really good with those. The doubles, those are the blues, and you're doing great with those. And then the ones that we just learned today were the doubles plus 1. So the doubles plus 1 are the pink ones here. So you can see we're getting pretty close. We're narrowing it down. So we only have a few more facts to learn. The next set we're going to do is making 10s and then making 9s, and I think there's just a couple of extras. Then you'll have all your math facts. All right, so I just wanted to go over that strategy with you again, and I'll send some activities for you to do if you want to practice any of those this week. Great job.